How to connect Phantom wallet to Photon. In today's video, we're going to walk through the step-by-step process of connecting your Phantom wallet to Photon. Whether you're a developer, a crypto enthusiast, or just getting started with Solana, this tutorial will guide you. First things first, open your Phantom wallet in your browser or mobile device. If you don't have it installed, you can download it from the official website. Once you've opened your wallet, make sure you're logged in hand and have your Solana tokens ready for use. Now go to your Photon project or the D app where you want to integrate Photon with your wallet. You should see an option to connect a wallet or something similar. Click on the Connect Wallet button and a list of available wallets should appear. From the list, choose Phantom Wallet. After that, click on Connect on the Phantom Wallet pop-up window to approve the connection. Once you've confirmed the connection in Phantom, Photon will automatically detect your wallet and connect it to the platform. And just like that, Phantom Wallet is now connected to Photon.